Hello everyone and welcome back to another devlog. In this devlog I'm going to be adding item spawning and map switching. Let's start off with item spawning. The way it's going to work is pretty simple. On the server and the client we'll keep a list of integers which all represent position indexes and point to a certain position, and when the server wants to spawn a bullet, it tells all the clients what type of bullet to spawn and what index to spawn it at, and we do the same thing when we despawn items. And here you can see that working. Now there is only one issue. If a client joins late, in other words if he joins after bullets have already been spawned on the server, he won't see those bullets. And the way to solve this is really simple. We just have the server, when a client joins, tell the client what bullets are already on the map, and then the client will just spawn them in. And here you can see that working. Next I implemented the spawning algorithm, which is quite simple actually. Every few seconds it picks a random spawning location and a random bullet, but all bullets have a certain randomness weight, and the higher the weight, the higher the chance that bullet is picked when the server decides to spawn a bullet. This is what's called weighted randomness. Now that I've added item spawning, it's time to move on to scene loading or map switching. So the way that's going to work is actually pretty simple. When the server wants to change the map, it basically just tells all the clients to load the new map, and then it also loads it on the server. And then when the players join the new map, it shows the scoreboard, and then there will be a button so that players can join the game. And similar to item spawning, this works great until you consider the fact that clients can join late. And we solve this in a very similar way by simply telling new clients what map is currently loaded, and then the client will load that map. And here you can see that working. So on the bottom window I have the server, which is loaded into map number 1, and then as soon as another client tries to join, they also load into map number 1. Finally, I implemented this into the actual UI, so you can see if I want to play a LAN game, I have the option to host or join one. If I click host, it'll bring me to this mutator settings screen, which I'm thinking will be similar to that of Rocket League, where you get to control the game basically, and create some pretty crazy settings. And then once you've selected the settings, there'll be an option to start the game, and then a client, if they want to join, can simply click the join button, and it will automatically take them to the host. For now at least. Later on I plan to add a list of all available LAN servers on your current network. But unfortunately that's all I have time for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next devlog, where I'll probably add a timer, and then when that timer ends, it will show the scoreboard and then load the next map.